Hello everyone and welcome to yet another unboxing on Midwest Finest on PiKture Time TV. And right now we'll be unboxing this tripod. Just came in from Amazon. At least it came in like a week or two ago and didn't get to the unboxing till today. And we're gonna go ahead and just do that right now. It is the Ravelli, I don't know what model it is, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just unbox it. I'll put it in the description.
Hey, baby.
Whoops. And I'm guessing this is the tripod head. Let's see. Neatly packaged. Very strong. Yep. It is a nice fluid head. You see that? With a release plate. Amazing. We're going to be doing some filmmaking work, and that's the reason we got this ordered. And this is the fluid head tripod. Fluid head of the tripod. And a Ravelli AVT model tripod manual, and we already acquired the dolly for it. We just went ahead and just got this, so it's all packed and ready to go, fully functional for any movie shots and stuff like that. Yep. Has 4 pages. And the main sauce. Oh, we got a Ravelli keychain as a gift. And I don't think there's anything in here anymore. Right there. Comes with a nice bag, just like the dolly came with a nice bag too. And here it is. The Ravelli tripod. Strong and sturdy. And I think we should have a gift in here too. Oh yeah, the 2 handles on the side. Right there. All neatly packaged. And our microfiber cloth, the second gift in it. Alright, that's just about it. We'll put this together and we'll show you how it works in our next video here on Midwest Finest, PiKture Time TV unboxing. We'll talk to you later.